Hey there, ever wonder why companies are going all in on in this thing called digital transformation? Well, stick around because today we're going to break it down in plain, simple terms. Imagine you have a favorite toy that you've had forever. It's awesome, but it's getting a little old, and there are new cool toys out there. Now, think of big companies as having their favorite toys, their old traditional ways of doing business. They're great, but they need an upgrade. So, what's this digital transformation thing? It's like giving those companies a super duper upgrade with technology and data. Why? Let's dive into it. First of all, companies wants to be faster than a superhero. They want to serve you, the customer, lightning quick, whether it's answering your questions or delivering stuff to your doorstep. They want to be flash fast. Then they want to be smarter than a wizard. Digital transformation helps them use data to make super smart decisions. It's like having a crystal ball to predict what you'll like and what you'll need it. But the coolest part, companies are doing all of this to make you happier. They want to customize their stuff just for you. It's like having a magical tailor who makes clothes that fit perfectly. Now, let's talk about apps and websites. Remember waiting in long lines? Digital transformation says no more. You can now do everything on your phone, from ordering food to buying clothes. It's like having a magic wand in your pocket. So, why are companies doing all of this? Make your life better. They want to be faster, smarter, and more personalized just for you. That's why companies are going all in digital transformation. They are like superheroes and you are their mission. If you like this video, don't forget to hit this like button and subscribe for more fun explanation. See you next time.